In this part, we'll look at plug valves, ball valves, and butterfly valves. A distinctive feature of these valves is that none of them has a disc that moves up and down from the valve seating area. Instead, each type has a disc that rotates. The rotating disc enables the valve to be opened and closed more quickly than many other types of valves. Also, the valve seat for a plug valve, a ball valve, or, in this case, a butterfly valve, is usually made of a resilient material, such as plastic or rubber, that provides a firm fit and a tight seal when the disc closes on it. An operating lever or handle is used to position the rotating disc of a plug, a ball, or a butterfly valve. For instance, when the handle of this plug valve is turned, the disc rotates 90 degrees from the fully open position to the fully closed position, or vice versa. You can determine the position of the valve by looking at the position of the handle. When the handle is in line with the piping that the valve's attached to, the valve is open. When the handle is perpendicular to the piping, the valve is closed. Plug valves are generally used for on-off control in applications that require a tight shutoff, as in this gas line. When the handle is turned, the disc makes a 1/4 turn that quickly opens or closes the valve. When a plug valve is fully open, the ports in the disc, or plug, are lined up with the inlet and the outlet of the valve body so that fluid can flow through the valve. When the valve is fully closed, the plug is turned so that its ports are perpendicular to the valve body's inlet and outlet. For proper operation, the plug has to be able to turn in the seat, but the plug and the valve body must fit closely, so there's no leakage around the plug when the valve is closed. Because of the close fit between the plug and the body, the turning of the plug can gradually wear out the plug and the valve body. If either of these parts wears excessively, it may no longer be possible to completely shut off fluid flow when the valve is closed. Many plug valves, as well as other types of valves, use some means of lubrication to minimize friction between the valve's moving parts. However, some plug valves don't require lubrication. This plug valve, for example, has a plug that's enclosed in a sleeve that's made of a Teflon-like material, which is self-lubricating. Non-lubricated plug valves are especially useful for applications in which lubricant must be prevented from contaminating the fluid that moves through the valve.